Introducing the 110cc fully automatic ATV for sale from SaferWholesale.com. It's got lights, working lights in the front. You've got many different color options that you can choose from as well on this ATV. It's got disc brakes in the rear. You got your tether in the back as well. LED lights in the rear as well. And then you've got your remote kill. You simply hit the button here, turns it right off, and then simply turn it right back on. Once again, the 110cc ATV. We're gonna take it for a quick ride here, cruise it around. We've got our nice dirt track. And again, a full-grown adult can drive this. It's got enough power to where you can drive it on the track, on-road, off-road, beat it up. Again, it's fully automatic. SaferWholesale.com, 866-606-3991. And we can nationwide ship these right to your front door. Beat it up. Again, fully automatic, 110cc ATV for sale from SaferWholesale.com. 866-606-3991. Again, SaferWholesale.com. And we can nationwide ship right to your front door. We got a lot of power on that 110 quad. Again, SaferWholesale.com, 866-606-3991. It's got the throttle limiter on it as well. Remote kill switch, safe for the kids. Again, SaferWholesale.com, 866-606-3991. We've got them in red, black, blue, spiderweb, green camouflage, red camouflage, all kinds of camouflage. Call us today, once again, 866-606-3991. And you also have your throttle limiter right here. You simply screw this in, only lets it go so far and so fast. Once again, SaferWholesale.com, the 110cc ATV for sale. Get yours today.